What's in my pocket? 2020.
In my right hand pocket, I usually carry my Samsung Galaxy S8 with a wooden case on it. I love this phone simply because the whole device is black. And it's IP68 water resistant, so I don't have to worry about it gets wet in the rain. It's so thin even with the case on it. It takes only a tiny space from your pocket. The wood texturized case from Kalibri gives simply a cool look to your device. And you can even charge your phone wirelessly in it. In my left-hand pocket, I carry my genuine leather wallet from Atara. I love this sunset orange leather color of it. It has 5 slots for your ID and debit cards. And for some notes. Actually, I don't need a bigger wallet in a world where you can pay contactlessly. In my right hand back pocket, I carry my tissue. And finally, in my left hand back pocket, I carry only a mask. This is my minimalist everyday carry.